Hey, health enthusiasts! Do you love protein shakes but hate the hefty price tag and unwanted additives? Today I'm going to show you why DIY protein shakes are the way to go. They're healthier, cheaper, and even greener. First up, personalization. When you make your own shakes, you control what goes in. Tailor the mix to your specific dietary needs or taste preferences. Need more protein, less sugar, more fiber? No problem, plus you save cash. Store-bought shakes can really pinch your wallet, and they often come with additives you'd rather skip. Making your own means quality ingredients and full transparency. And let's not forget the eco-friendly angle. Ditch those single-use bottles and cut down on waste. Buy local ingredients when possible to shrink your carbon footprint even more. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Alright, let's talk essential ingredients for a nutrient-rich shake. Proteins are the building blocks. Whey is great for quick absorption post-workout, while casein keeps you fuller longer. Vegans? No worries. Pea and hemp proteins have you covered. Carbs are essential energy providers. Think bananas, oats, and berries for natural sweetness and enhanced energy levels. Don't forget healthy fats. Avocado, seeds, and nuts not only add creaminess, but also help with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. For natural sweetness, fruits, honey, or maple syrup do the trick without spiking your sugar levels. And for that extra nutritional punch, sneak in some superfoods. Spirulina, chia seeds, or a handful of greens can elevate your shake to super status without overpowering the flavor. See, crafting a nutrient-rich shake doesn't have to be complex. With the right ingredients, you can whip up something delicious and tailored to your health goals. Give it a try and feel the difference. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more health tips.